Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So today I'm not able to open my camera, sir. Some network problem here, sir. When the network speed becomes good, sir, then
Okay.
I can open my camera.
Okay, fine.
Sir,
Yes. Yes.
sir, I'm not feeling well. That's why I'm not opening my camera.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
Sir, we
all of
have
you.
from exercise 5A, third question, fourth part.
Yes, sir.
Exercise
Yes.
5A, third question, fourth part.
So can you please repeat third question, third part?
Yes.
Sir, can I show?
Brenda, do you want to understand or you want to note down?
So I want to understand also and I want to note down also.
So I will do it here. Third part of question 3. Exercise 5A. Question 3, third part. Minus 13 upon 11 whole to the power 2. So this is minus 13 upon 11 multiplied by minus 13 upon 11 because the power is 2. Now whenever we multiply a negative number 2 times, दो negative number अगर multiply होते हैं then the answer is positive. 13 into 13 is 169 and 11 into 11 is 121. So answer is 169 upon 121. Understood?
So I want to ask this, sir. So I want to ask that is it compulsory to keep in bracket when we are multiplying the both
Not
numbers?
not compulsory. When we are multiplying, then you can write without brackets also. Minus 1 upon 2 whole to the power 5. This is fifth part. So like I'm writing here, I will not use the brackets. Minus 1 upon 2 into 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 minus 1 upon 2. So 5 times we will multiply minus 1 upon 2. 5 times means all the numbers are negative. मतलब 5 negative numbers are there. जब भी odd times minus sign आएगा, odd number of times. 5 is an odd number. कितनी बार minus आ रहा है? 5 times. So 5 is an odd number. So your answer will be negative only. So 1 को कितनी बार भी multiply करो 1 ही आता है. So minus 1 upon 2 को 5 times multiply करेंगे we get 32. Minus 1 upon 32 answer. Okay. Let's see the sixth part. Sixth part of the question. Yeah. Minus 3 by 2 whole to the power 4. Minus 3 by 2 whole to the power 4. So this time the power is 4, even power. Answer positive होगा या negative होगा?
Sir, positive.
Answer will be positive because power is even.
Positive.
Even number of times अगर हम multiply करते हैं किसी number को, minus sign कितनी बार आ रहा है? 4 बार आ रहा है. 4 is an even number. So answer is always positive. Odd number of times अगर multiply करेंगे, that means whenever the power is odd, negative number की power अगर odd होगी तो आंसर माइनस में होगा. एंड अगर नेगेटिव नंबर की पावर इवन होगी तो आंसर आपका पॉजिटिव होगा. ओके. सो दिस इज प्लस में आएगा आंसर. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is 81. 3 को 4 times multiply करेंगे. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 16. Answer is 81 upon 16.
Okay.
Okay. So
Sir,
question number, yes.
Sir, what you have explained just now, please say again, because sir, here is network problem. I don't know why. That's why I can't join.
I said when you multiply negative numbers, negative number को अगर even times multiply करेंगे, like in this case, sixth part में देखो, नेगेटिव नंबर को 4 बार मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. 4 इज एन इवन नंबर, 4 बार मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, सो आंसर पॉजिटिव आएगा. ओके. एंड फिफ्थ पार्ट में देखो, हमने नेगेटिव नंबर को 5 बार मल्टीप्लाई किया था. 5 इज एन ऑड नंबर, तो आंसर आपने माइनस में लिखा था इन द फिफ्थ पार्ट. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट आई एक्सप्लेन.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I hope you all have done all these.
yes, sir, done.
Yes.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, question number 4, first part. -1, 4 to the power -1. ध्यान से देखिए, नेगेटिव पावर क्या करते हैं, नेगेटिव पावर होती है. लॉ नंबर 3 और 4 कौन से लॉ में लिखवाया मैंने? whenever a number has a negative power, क्या होता है, तब क्या करते हैं? look at the laws.
Sir, the answer will be negative.
no, ये लॉ है, देखिए, आई एम राइटिंग द लॉ है. a to the power minus m is
Sir,
equal to 1.
Sir,
हाँ.
sir, little, sir, 1/4. Sir, and the power will be, sir, positive.
So whenever the power is negative, we do the reciprocal of the base. बेस का रेसिप्रोकल कर लेंगे एंड पावर को माइनस की जगह प्लस कर देंगे, पॉजिटिव कर देंगे. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 4? रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 4 इज 1/4. पावर क्या लिखेंगे अब? व्हाट इज द पावर नाउ? 1.
Sir,
1, not -1, it is 1. Okay, so any number
And sir,
raised to the
again, if we
power,
will do,
whenever the power is 1, any number raised to the power 1, it is the number itself. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल कोई भी नंबर हो, 5 की पावर 1 है, so this is equal to 5 only. Okay,
again,
yes.
if we will do reciprocal of 1/4, then it will be -1 only.
हाँ, then again the power will become negative. अगर फिर से रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे तो पावर नेगेटिव हो जाएगी. Okay, so answer is 1/. Sorry?
just one question.
Sorry, Kibla.
Sir, can you please explain this one question again?
Yes, 4 to the power -1. The power is negative. So whenever the power is negative, we do the reciprocal of the base. 4 का reciprocal हो गया 1/4. And power -1 की जगह 1 हो गई. Instead of -1, it becomes 1. So 1/4 to the power 1 is 1/4.
Sir,
Okay.
if there is any number like 6, 7, so the base is 6 or 7, then also, sir, we
Reciprocal.
will put
6 का reciprocal 1/6 हो जाएगा. 7 का reciprocal 1/7 हो जाएगा. Look at the second part, you will understand. Yes, Zahra.
So, can the power be in negative in the second part, as you are showing, like is equals to 1/4?
मतलब? Sorry.
Means in the second state, in the first statement, can it be -1?
Here?
Yes, sir.
नहीं, here तो जब हमने पावर माइनस में थी, हमने बेस का रेसिप्रोकल कर लिया, then you will not write negative power. You will write positive only. After doing the reciprocal, you will not write a negative power. -6 to the power -1. minus 6 raised to the power minus 1. So this becomes 1 upon minus 6 whole to the power 1. Power positive हो गई. Now 1 upon minus 6 is equal to minus 1 upon 6. Answer.
Sir, if the base is negative number, then we will not change it. If the power is negative, then we will change it.
Doesn't matter if the base is negative or not. इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Only if the power is negative, you have to do the reciprocal of the base. 1 upon 3 to the power minus 1, third part. 1 upon 3 to the power minus 1. So 3. Directly can I write 3 as the answer? 1 upon 3 का reciprocal क्या हुआ? 3. And 3 की power 1. 3 की power 1 is equal to 3. Okay. Look at the fourth part. Minus 2 upon 3 whole to the power minus 1. Minus 2 upon 3 to the power minus 1 minus 3 upon 2. Answer in one step. Minus 3 upon 2. बस रेसिप्रोकल कर लीजिए बस. पावर 1 हो गई. माइनस 1 की जगह 1 हो गई पावर. So power 1 is having no use. There is no use whenever the power is 1. You can directly remove the power.
But sir, if the power is not 1 or anything else, so what we will do?
Suppose if there is a question like this. आगे आएंगे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस. मैं आपको जस्ट एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ. डोंट राइट इट इन योर कॉपीज. Suppose if it is like this, 2 upon 3 to the power minus 2. अगर ऐसे लिखा है, not 1, it is minus 2. Okay. तो क्या करेंगे? 3 upon 2 power minus 2 की जगह 2 हो जाएगी. And now you simplify this. 3 की power 2 यानी कि 9. 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. So answer is 9 upon 4. Understood? This is an example. You don't have to write it.
Yes, sir.
We will multiply the number with power.
Not with the power. We are not multiplying the base with the power. 3 की power 2 का मतलब क्या होता है? 3 into 3. 3 को 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 3 into 3 कितना होता है? 9. 2 into 2 कितना होता है? 4. ओके. सो पावर 2 का मतलब क्या होता है? अगर सपोज पावर 4 है या 3 है, चलो, suppose it is minus 2, sorry, 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 3. तो ये 3 हो गई. अब 3 पावर होने का मतलब क्या है? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Yes, Ania.
Sir, I am saying that when the power is negative, then we reciprocal the number, and then power will be positive. Then in second one, minus 6 the power minus 1. So why we when we reciprocal it, then why minus 1 is there?
Here,
Sir, I want to ask that when the power is negative, is minus 1 or 2, anything is written. Okay, then we reciprocal our number, then the power will be positive. Then means when we reciprocal 1 upon 6, so then by minus 1 upon 6.
we don't have to change the sign of the base. जब भी पावर नेगेटिव होगी तो सिर्फ बेस का रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे. बेस का साइन जो है वो वही रहेगा. अगर नेगेटिव है बेस तो नेगेटिव रहेगा. पॉजिटिव है बेस तो पॉजिटिव रहेगा। बेस का सिर्फ आपको रेसिप्रोकल करना है, यू डोंट हैव टू चेंज द साइन ऑफ द बेस। ओके,
Okay, sir.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, सॉरी 4 तो कर लिया हमने, 5। 5 फाइंड द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। रेसिप्रोकल लिखना है डायरेक्टली बस। 3/8 की पावर 4 रेसिप्रोकल क्या हो जाएगा इसका, बुक में लिख दीजिए आंसर। राइट द आंसर्स इन द बुक, डोंट राइट इट इन योर कॉपीज। 3/8
I have written
whole
the
to the power
question in
4,
the
the
notebook.
answer is 8/3 whole to the power 4. This is the reciprocal of the number 8
Excuse me,
upon
sir.
3 की power 4. Yes,
So I have written in the notebook. So can I write in the notebook only?
yes. Similarly,
Okay,
write
sir.
the answers of all the parts. रेसिप्रोकल तो करना सबको आता है ना, बस आपको नंबर का रेसिप्रोकल करना है, पावर के साथ कुछ नहीं करना, पावर जैसी है वैसी रहेगी। ओके,
सर अगर अपॉन में है तभी रेसिप्रोकल करना है।
नहीं बेटा, जब अपॉन में नहीं है तो भी तो रेसिप्रोकल हो जाता है। 6 की पावर 7 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा, 1/6 की पावर 7। 6 का रेसिप्रोकल 1/6 होता है। ओके, सो क्वेश्चन 6, आई होप यू ऑल हैव डन। मैं आंसर्स बता रहा हूँ फिफ्थ के सारे पार्ट्स के। फर्स्ट पार्ट आंसर इज 8/3 पावर 4। सेकेंड पार्ट द आंसर इज -6/5 पावर 11। थर्ड पार्ट 1/6 whole to the power 7, and fourth part -1/4 power 3.
Sir, what is the answer of third one?
Answer of third one is 1/6 power 7.
Okay, sir.
Question number 6. First part, very difficult question. 8 to the power 0 1. Second part, देखो कितना difficult है। -3 to the power 0 1. थर्ड पार्ट नहीं आया समझ में।
No, sir. आ गया सर, ये लॉ वाला है।
Yes, any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1.
One.
Okay, third part देखिए, all of you look at the third part, everyone stop writing and look at the third part, थोड़ा सा अलग है। 4 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 0, थोड़ा सा अलग है। all of you look at the board। 4 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 0 1। 4 की पावर 0 यानी कि 1, 5 की पावर 0 यानी कि अगेन 1, 1 plus 1 कितना हो गया 2। क्लियर है। फोर्थ पार्ट
Yes, sir.
6 to the power 0 multiplied by 7 to the power 0।
7. Answer.
7.
1 into 1, answer 1।
Answer 1. Sir, same what you are doing, I also used to do on my screen whenever I'm free.
Done, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question 7. First part, simplify and write as a rational number। 3/2 whole to the power 4 multiplied by 1/5 whole to the power 2. 3/2 into 3/2 पावर कितनी है 4 है इंटू 3/2 इंटू 3/2 4 बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है 1/5 into 1/5 2 times. Why 2 times? Because the power is 2. Because the power is 2, 1/5 को 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 81. याद कर लो बेटा 3 को 4 बार मल्टीप्लाई करके 8 आता है 81 आता है सॉरी 3 को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करके 27 आता है 3 को 5 बार मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कितना आएगा 243 3 की पावर 5 243 ये सब याद कर लीजिए 3 की पावर 4 81 3 की पावर 3 27 2 की पावर 5 32 2 की पावर 6 64 2 की पावर 7 128 2 की पावर 8 256 2 की पावर 9 500 सॉरी गलत हो गया
सर आपको इतना सब याद है?
512 2 की पावर 10 1024 2 की पावर 11 2048 2 की पावर 12 4096 बस इतना काफी है
This is the table.
5 4 की पावर्स भी
Sir,
लर्न
what is 2 की power 19?
भाग जाओ यहाँ से 4 की पावर 2 16 4 की पावर 3 64 4 की पावर 4
With this?
256 4 की पावर 5 1024 5 की पावर्स में देखिए 5 की पावर 2 25 यस 5 की पावर 3
So the
125
first,
wait a minute
so
5
the
की
first
पावर 4 625 5 की पावर 5 3125 इतना याद कर लो यस वृंदा खंडेलवाल
So I was saying that is that answer, sir, AD is the only answer or something else also is there?
नहीं अभी और डिनोमिनेटर भी तो आएगा 3 into 3
Yes,
into
I
3
was-
into 3 81 and 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 400 okay second part
Yes, I done.
minus 2 upon 3 power 5 multiplied by minus 3 upon 7 power 3 oh very difficult minus 2 upon 3 into 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 minus 3 upon 7 into minus 3 upon 7 into minus 3 upon 7. Stop writing everyone. सबसे पहली बात तो यहाँ पर देखिए जरा 2 मिनट प्लीज फॉलो यू देखो काउंट द नंबर ऑफ माइनस साइंस टोटल माइनस कितने हैं यहाँ पर देखो
Sir,
1 2
8.
3 4 5 6 7 8 टोटल नंबर ऑफ माइनस साइंस 8 आंसर पॉजिटिव होगा बिकॉज 8 माइनस
Yes, sir.
साइंस है तो अब कुछ नहीं है आपको आंसर पॉजिटिव आना है माइनस साइन की टेंशन छोड़ दीजिए डिनोमिनेटर से एक 3 काटा एक 3 न्यूमरेटर में से काट दिया फिर से एक 3 डिनोमिनेटर में से काटा एक 3 न्यूमरेटर में से काट दिया एक और 3 डिनोमिनेटर में से काटा एक और न्यूमरेटर में से 3 काट दिया नाउ यू मल्टीप्लाई 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 2 की पावर 5 अभी अभी बताया था कितना 32 3 into 3 is 9 7 into 7 into 7 is 343 9 into sorry 343 9 into 343 बताइए कितना होगा
So 9 into 343.
आंसर any doubt in this
Sir, 3.
No, sir. No doubt.
No, sir.
No, sir, please wait for 2 minutes. I'm just writing.
Yes.
Sir, done.
Very good. So all of you try the fourth part. Try the fourth part.
Sir, when you said try the, then I think you will said da.
You thought that I am going to speak like that.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I usually do it. I do like this. Usually I do like this. Try the fourth part. Start doing. Yes, tell the answer.
Sir, the
Minus
answer
1
is,
upon 47. 1 upon 47.
sir, my answer is
Minus 1 upon 47.
Minus 1 upon 47 upon
125.
5.
Minus 1 upon 47. Which one was that? I asked you to do the
Fourth.
fourth
Fourth.
part.
The
Fourth part.
fourth part.
Acha, let me do it here. I don't know what is the answer. Um, Fourth part. You all will check your answer, okay? Fourth part.
Yes, my
2
answer is
upon
minus
3.
7.125.
2 upon 3 कितनी है power? 2.
Yes, sir.
Multiplied by minus 3 upon 5 power 3. And 7 upon 2 power 2.
Yes, sir.
Oh, itna difficult question. So 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3 into minus 3 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 5 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. 2 2 ja ja 2 2 ja ja 3 3 3 3. Minus sign ek. There are three negative numbers, so answer will be minus. Minus में आएगा 7 3 into 7 into 7 ये बचा है. So 3 into 7 into 7 is 147. 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. Answer is minus 147 upon 125. यही आंसर आप लोगों का?
Yes, sir. My answer is
Yes,
correct.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Nishu, your answer is this.
Yes, sir.
Start your video. Very good, Zera. Ania, beta, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Are you back on Earth? आप वापस आ गई हैं Earth पर, Ania?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Nice to
Sir,
see.
still she was in universe.
She was living on Saturn past few days.
Sir, still she is in universe.
She,
Sir,
she-
sir, you can see Anya's background. Sir, still she is in universe.
she's in space. Okay.
So
Okay,
she just changed her place in space.
Sir, how quickly she come back from Saturn?
She has a personal rocket.
Power.
She got it made from NASA. She has a personal rocket. She uses it to go to Saturn. She can even go to Pluto, other places.
No, sir, from you. She made it.
Yes. She got inspired by me.
Sir, sir, where have you go by your personal jet?
Private jet, my private jet. I have gone to many places. I
So
went to I went to Proxima
Sir,
Centauri.
like your private jet.
I went to Proxima Centauri. Do you know what
Sir,
is
I
that?
have 8 private jet, but I could sit in it because sir, it's too small in size.
Oh. So you can combine all the 8 private jets, then you may get a big one. Good morning.
Sir, the first power is 6.
Beta,
Sir,
I don't think we will be able to complete this question in this period. The time is just about to get over. Okay, so we will
Yes,
meet tomorrow. All of you, bye bye. Take care.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Have a
Have a
Same
nice
to you.
day.